Good afternoon children, this is Anman sir here. In the previous class we are discussing about quadratic equations, right? An equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 where a is not equals to 0 for all a, b, c belongs to real numbers. Then it is a quadratic equation, right? So and also we know that the standard form of quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 where a is not equals to 0 for all a, b, c belongs to real numbers. So a quadratic equations can have at most two roots and a quadratic equation can also be classified into two types. One is defected and another one is pure quadratic equation, right? So defected quadratic equation, the standard form of defected quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 where a is not equals to 0 for all a, b, c belongs to real numbers. And a pure quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus c equals 0 where b is equals to 0 and a is not equals to 0, right? So a pure quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus c equals 0 where b is equals to 0 but not a is not equals to 0. Okay, so and also we are discussing about how to find roots a quadratic equation roots by factorization method, and also we are discussing about how to find roots of the given quadratic equation by formula method, right? So in this session I'm going to take you on the same topic. So here we have a question, find the roots of the following quadratic equation, right? So here we have 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30 where x is not equals to minus 4 and plus 7, isn't it? Okay, let me start the question now. Okay, so here we have different denominators, that is x plus 4 and x minus 7. So we need to take first of all we need to take LCM from denominator. So the LCM of this given to these denominators are, see, this is x plus 4 into x minus 7 whole divided by, this is whole divided by here. So by equating after by taking LCM from denominator, so we can equate the given LCM x plus 4 into x minus 7 into the first term. So here we have a denominator in first fraction, we have denominator is x plus 4. So here the missing denominator is x minus 7. So that is C 1 into the missing factor, it is x minus 7 minus of 1 into, so instead of, see, this is when we equate the given LCM into second factor in x minus 7, here missing term is missing factor is x plus 4. So it can be written as it can be written as x plus 4 which is equals to 11 by 30, which is equals to 11 by 30. Okay, now we can multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We get see x minus 7 into 1 it is x minus 7 and minus of 1 into x plus 4 it is x plus 4 whole divided by, see, this is x plus 4 and x minus 7 which is equals to 11 by 30. So we can multiply first term into second term and second term into second term, right? So this complete term. So see, this is x minus 7. So minus into plus, minus, plus into x, it is plus, plus into minus, it is minus 1 into x. So minus into plus, again minus, so minus into plus, minus 1 into 1 fourths 4 whole divided by, see, first term into second term in denominator, so that is x into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7 equals 11 by 30. So by when we remove this small bracket, see, plus x minus x gets cancelled. Next we can add these two, minus 7 and minus 4, we can add these two, we get minus 11, which is equals to 11 by 30 whole divided by, see, x into x, it is x square, plus into minus, minus 7 into x, 7x, plus into minus, plus into plus, it is plus 4 into x, 4x, plus into minus, minus 7 4s 28, plus into minus, minus 4 7s 28. So here we have same numerators, so we can divide this 11 ones, 11 ones, hence we get remaining. So minus 1, which is equals to 1 by 30 whole divided by x square minus 7 minus 4, it is minus 3x minus 28, minus 28. Now we can by doing cross multiplication, we get this is minus 30, so this is x square minus 3x minus 28. So we can transpose this, we get x square minus 3x minus 28, minus becomes plus 30, which is equals to 0, which is equals to 0. Okay. So when we subtract plus 30 minus 28 from plus 30, we get plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now we get it is in the form of a standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals minus 3 and c equals 2. Now it is in the form of standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, here where a is 1 and b is minus 3 and c is the constant term, that is plus 2. Is it clear to all children? Okay. By factorization method, by splitting the middle term, see, the coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is minus 3 and the constant term is plus 2. Right? So by splitting the middle term, we get see, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Instead of minus 3, we take x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. Because see, when we multiply these two, see, minus 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. When we add and subtract, we get minus 3. We get minus 3. So by taking these two are as two, these two has one group and these two as one group, here in first group we should take x as common, then remaining x minus 1, and here we take minus 2 as common, then remaining x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore the factors are, see, this is, we can group it has these two are as one group and the repeated factor is x minus 1 is equals to 0. We can take we can write this in only one time. So x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is x minus becomes plus 2 or and x is equals to we can transpose this minus 1 from LHS to RHS. So minus 1 becomes it is plus 1. Therefore 2 and 1 are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. This. Okay.